go inside. Jim playing sledge. I'll put you.
As long as you won't record it.
I will.
Can I record it from my view?
Yeah.
It's much better.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna record it. I can't pull you and record it.
Can I go now?
Outside. Wait for us. We'll call it. We'll go.
For you.
I'm gonna brave it to go outside. I'm gonna look like a blob. I've never seen snow this strong before, so let's go. Let's do this. Hi guys!
Hurry it up! I've been defying wind right now.
Oh my god! Deep the snow in. You stuck? Snowball fight mode. Who's on my team? Ah! I get hit in the face. Woo! Ah! Getting hit. It's like pebbles in your face. That's how hard these little hail. It's not snow. It's hail. Look at the car. Look at I can't get out. The car's sliding. It's literally sliding off the road. What are you doing?
Tunnel.
You're making a tunnel. What are you doing? What is he doing? We're going to play snowball fight. I just fell over. There's literally no cars, literally nothing. Ah! Charlie, that's sore! That was like a rock! Here they go!
Me. Michael next. I'm gonna make you cry, boy! Hey!
Okay, night night. You need your blanket. There you go. Have some blanket. I feel like we're in Antarctica. It's that so much snow. It feels like we're in the Arctic Circle or something. I'm gonna go sledging flying instead. Flying. Look at you. Frozen.
Oh, Charlie.
Bless you.
Charlie, why
I'll
are
tell
you going about
Charlie,
me?
darling, go in the kitchen. You're kissing him, we're over there.
Going home now. How far is the car? It's so nice though. Look at it, how beautiful it is. Look how pretty the woods are. So nice. We're Twilight or something. Ang ganda!